So
Yeah,
how's the lockdown been for you? Were the months like difficult, and it's been so many months, and how's work been? And
Arunita, it was difficult for me in the initial stage because I just finished, not finished, but my shooting got stopped because of the lockdown, and then I was at home and I was also feeling sick. Sick, acidic. I am very acidic to food, and maybe हमने set का कुछ ज़्यादा खा लिया, गलत खाना, तो उसकी वजह से. And then this fear came in. Is it acidity or something else? That creeped in, and then I like, oh shit, what to do? And then I took some medicine also, and but it was not going for a few weeks, and yeah, my acidity was bad. And then I said, oh, I'm going low in emotional also, physically also, mentally also. I should come back, do something. And then what is my power? And then I said, teaching is my power. So I asked my ex students to do some exercises every day. I used to design an exercise and send them on the audio.
yeah,
So we have all the groups. जितने भी हमने ग्रुप्स पढ़ाए हैं सब हमारे पास हैं. So we WhatsApp, I started WhatsApping them, and उसमें वो they used to do the exercise, and I said I need to take the report also how the exercise is going on. So then we thought, let's do Zoom call. And I was very new to this technology and very scared also because people were saying, आपकी बात record हो जाएगी, आप ही हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा. मैंने कहा, I don't care. I want to meet people. And then my students were there, a lot of them, and they were giving feedback what was there because they were also in fear. And uh, something that was there to look forward every day. So I started getting power from that, and they started getting power from that. And then after a few days, we started working on the uh, Zoom classes, and it worked well. And then I started working with my alumni on the film. They were at their home. They were making film. You are shooting yours, and I'm shooting mine, and they were editing and combining it.
wow,
Although they all although they all are actors, but this experience really shaped them well. Like we were taking a topic, for example, religion was the topic. So you, what is your belief of religion? You shoot yourself, and I will shoot myself. And then I will have one monologue, you will have one monologue. And then what we want to do is combine this in third scene where we two are together. But how they will come together, because they're not together not in one city, but
yeah.
how will they come together and combine? That was the challenge for me, and it worked so well. I was like, wow, keep experimenting, Saurabh, this is teaching you something. And that is how it's working now. It's working very good. Things are moving fine. The team is there, and everyone is still there. My whole team is there, and we are creating a lot of work for students, ex-students also, and for the current students also. That is what we are doing.
I think everybody is well adjusted to this Zoom call
Yeah,
atmosphere now, and
yeah.
so also you have an upcoming project which is Tesh. Which so did you shoot any bit of that during the lockdown?
Not. No. We
No,
did it
you guys
long back.
shot it
Yeah,
before.
yeah,
And
yeah,
you
yeah,
have
yeah,
another
yeah.
student of yours in the movie, which is Harshvardhan Rane. How was
Oh
that
God.
coming together?
Harshu, it was brilliant because we know each other from long back, and Harsh is
Yeah.
a very disciplined and very humble guy. And I have always loved him because of his work ethics, which is very high. I used to give his example to a lot of students also, that there is a boy who comes from Gwalior and who does this, and then this, and then this, and then this, and then he goes to South and he becomes a star there, and then he comes back to Bollywood and he's doing here also, and his journey is beautiful. So I was always inspired as a human being, not as a teacher, but as a human being. I was inspired from the way he carries himself and the way he carries his life. So I was really looking forward. Because when I saw him first time, he was like motu sa ladka, lambe se baal, and then the transformation from there to this, very, very
I
powerful.
think from what
And
you're
then
describing, it's been a powerful transformation. Yes.
yeah, and he was also and we became family because he didn't have a close family, so I became his family member in a way. whenever he used to have some release or something, he used to always call me and show me, senior, senior, and I call him junior. So, senior, I have this. So I was like, wow, let's, and then I used to enjoy that. And then that was our, so when we got this, Bijoy called me for this project. He narrated me the story. I go, who's playing Ali? He said, Harsh. I go, oh. I was like, wow. And then I called him and I said, I might be playing this because I was not sure that time that I want to play this character or not. But then he says, please, please, let's do it. Let's do it together, senior. Then we created a lot of our relationship while working on it, and what we can do on the set together and in front of camera. And we did talk to Bijoy also, and Bijoy was also very happy that these people are coming up with new ideas and new creative style to create their relationship. So that is how it that is how it went. And then uh lot of thing happened when we were not shooting. We were cycling, we were
Wow.
just going around the town, yeah, because of him. Otherwise I would not have done that. I would have sit in my hotel and read a book or something like that, watch some stuff. But he was saying, no, 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 we will go somewhere, let's go somewhere. I said, yes, let's go. And he's so active physically, very uh, he's a human being who's always out there and want to do something physically. And I am the one who wants to sit home and be chilling at my place and reading something or watching a movie. That's what I am. So that is where we don't match on that level, but we still connect very
But
beautifully.
it really sounds great that you guys came together for a film, and I think the experience was something that I think everybody should look forward to.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's hope that it works well the way we thought.
No, no, the trailer is very
Audience also.
exciting, and congrats to you
Yeah,
for that.
beautiful. Thank you for that. Actually, you should thank to Bijoy. Bijoy has created all this. This is Bijoy's vision. Yeah, Bijoy was, and he was very open. Bijoy was very open for what we were giving him, and what I brought so much into the character, but he was always open. Yes, yes, yes. And I was like, wow, यार ऐसे डायरेक्टर मिलते रहे तो एक्टर की आत्मा को शांति मिल जाती है. Yeah.
Definitely. So, talking a
Yeah.
little more about your work as an acting coach. So, it's a very unconventional choice to become not an actor first, but an acting coach first. And,
Yeah.
so how did you get into, first of all, becoming an acting coach? And second of all, did you see like the industry differently when you started out as an acting coach, and how different it became when you eventually started taking up projects as an actor?
Very good question. There are two parts to the question. First is how do I
Yeah,
start it, and why did I start it as an acting
yeah.
coach? So I came as an actor only. I wanted to be an actor when I joined Mr. Barry, sir. And uh, in 2001, and I joined because immediately wanted to be famous. That was my desire, and that was because of my girlfriend was leaving. So I thought, let's be famous immediately. And as I was working for it, so in few days, while working on the course, in the course with Barry, sir, I discovered that I don't want to be famous. I want to express myself. Uh, I had a very I was lacking in expression because I'm dyslexic, and in my schooling was bad, and my I couldn't study well because of that reason, and my understanding of things were slow. So, and I used to paint. That's all I used to do, and sports was my thing. And so with Mr. Barry, I discovered that I lack expression. So I need that expression and work from what is my expression. And then I joined his theater group after a year because he started a theater group and he auditioned a lot of people and I was selected in that. And from there, I uh, he asked me to, do you want to teach? I was very surprised by that and shocked by that. That I've never respected my teachers, and how will I be a teacher? And then few of my friend like Shalini works from Sacred Games, and one more guy. He told me that if he's asking you, maybe he's seen something in you, and you should take it a chance and go for it. And from there, my journey started as a teacher, and I loved it. I loved every part of it because I felt I can see a lot of people don't have the expression, and it's a similar thing, and I need to give them the expression and work on their expression, and that became my journey. Second part of the question is that I was when I teaching, yes, there was a different world, my own world, where in the studio and teaching a lot of people and not doing anything else. Because why I started so late, there is a reason, because I was scared of getting into industry. I didn't have the courage. Scared it means I didn't have the courage, not scared of people outside, but I didn't have the courage that people will accept me or not. Will I be accepted or not? Will I lose this job also? Will I not able to do this also? That was my fear. And so that I also came in Mumbai in 2005, and then I gave few audition, but I was not selected. So uh, I was feeling low about it. And from there, I just continued teaching and saying that this is only my passion and nothing else. But in 2016, I felt that I need to move out and start doing this. And in 2017, I moved out, and Barry sir also moved out. He went to Dharamshala, and I went, and then I started my own school. It happens also by chance because I wanted some money to earn and then do. I wanted to direct something, not act. And acting happened by chance. So I opened my school in what do you call, in Aram Nagar, and one of the Mukesh Chabra assistant pointed me, "Will you give an audition?" I said yes, and I gave audition for Sacred Game, and I was selected as Isa. And I saw it's not that easy what I used to teach. It's not that easy. It's difficult place to be in. Lot of people around, running around. You don't have time to create. You don't have time to just. You have to be so fast and so good about what you have to. Otherwise, you will be just okay. It's coming to दूसरे का shot low. So all that was because when you nobody gives a shit na that what you चल भाई जल्दी जल्दी दिखा जल्दी जल्दी दिखा. So that was a little scary, but I because my craft was very strong from last so many years, so I was not that scared. But meeting people and knowing so many people and being in with so many people was because I was as teacher you're always in power, like you know what you're doing. But as an actor, it becomes massive thing around you. There are director, production, cameraman, people around you running, and yeah, and day night job. It's very difficult job actually, and I really found a respect for more respect for the people who are working in the industry because of the hard work it takes, and people are really struggling to make that one shot a right shot. This shot has to go so well, and then the other one, then the other one, and that was so powerful. So that is what my experience is. I was in my comfort zone, scared, and then I came out and started taking a risk, and loved it, and loved it, and loved
And
the energy
wonderful
of
things
people.
happen for audiences, at least. I mean, as an
Yeah,
audience,
thank
seeing
you.
you as Suleiman Isa, I think no, it was wonderful. It came out wonderfully, and Sacred Games
Yeah,
itself has been such a massive thing on the web. So
yeah.
congratulations for that. And
Thank
uh,
you, thank you.
and about so when you came into acting, did it also change your perspective as a teacher, or the way you were teaching, or did it add to the experience?
it did add to my teaching experience also, because sometimes I was demanding too much from the student, and which I thought when I started acting, I thought it's very difficult. I have to take it slowly. They can't process that fast. Most of us can't process that fast, and I want them to process very fast. So what I changed my module of the course, because I opened my own school, so I
Yeah.
had the power of doing that also. On set, you don't get too much time to prepare.
Right.
Like in stage you do, theater you do rehearsals, you do all those things, but in front of camera you need to be faster. A lot of time you meet people for the first time, actors for the first time, director for the first time, and you have to just improvise and you have to be there. So that is what has changed. Yes, it has definitely improved me, for me also, and for my students also. Yeah.
So, also as an actor, did it now that so you're into directing now, you're into teaching now, you're into acting now. So, which of these roles do you enjoy the most personally?
Teaching.
Teaching,
Teaching.
always teaching.
Yeah. Always. I love teaching. I love teaching. Yeah. Something fulfills me when there is some insight, and when I'm talking to student and he gets something, and he feels powerful. I feel, ah, my child gets satisfied. That child who was not never in power, right? My younger self, that gets sometime deep down in my subconscious, that gets power, and that gets happiness to see the student feeling, ah, yeah. So that is what I feel. Yeah. So
Definitely,
teaching is, yeah,
definitely.
it is powerful. People don't see teaching as, and it's not been, teachers are very less paid and all those things, but it is one of the powerful profession, I feel, if not, if done well. If not done by putting students in guilt or shame, and that is how we were trained when we were in school. नहीं ये नहीं होता जैसे, हाँ, like I've done some sin. I'm like a sinner. Sorry, मैं अभी आया हूँ, मुझे पता नहीं है. What nonsense! He doesn't know this in front of 40 students, and like oh my God, I don't want to be like that. So the, that's very big responsibility.
That definitely is. I mean, like all your students are definitely like there's so many star students that you have. Do you have any favorites, first of all, if I may ask?
That's a big difficult question, because अगर मैं बोल दूंगा तो ये वाली हेडलाइन बन जाएगी, सौरभ का फेवरेट. ये देखो सौरभ का फेवरेट. But they all have their own uniqueness and their own qualities, which I really love working with them. I've always liked people who are more self-motivated. I was not
Yeah.
self-motivated. That is why I love those kind of people, right? So many of them were very and they make it because they were self-motivated. Like it doesn't, there is no value कि वो बाहर से आ रहे हैं, industry में आ रहे हैं, but they all had one thing similar, that they never procrastinate, and they're very self-motivated people.
Mm-hmm.
चाहे मैं हर्ष की बात करूं, या रिचा की बात करूं, या फ्रीडा की बात करूं, या जैकलिन की बात करूं, या वरुण की बात करूं, या राणा दगुपति, all these people were so self-motivated. Every time I was looking up to them. Wow, they are okay. I'm teaching them acting as a craft, but their personality, that was already there. You understand? That was
Definitely.
already there. Their attitude as an human being, as an actor, was there. Right? I want to be an actor. I am going for it. And everyone did the same thing. They were pushing themselves, whoever it was. And that is why they're there. Naito, I have taught so many people. Where are they? You understand? There's so many people I have taught. Where are they? I do ask. These people have made themselves because of their attitude. That is what my major understanding. बाकी इतने सारे लोग कहाँ हैं? बाकी इतने सारे लोग जो इंडस्ट्री से थे उनको भी पढ़ाया, वो कहाँ गए? वो भी नहीं है, क्योंकि उनके एटीट्यूड
Definitely.
में हो.
since you are teaching, these students come from both within the industry, and there are outsiders wanting to establish themselves in the industry. So how do you look at this entire hoopla that's going on about, there's favorism and there's insider, outsider, and there's so much talk about all of this. How do you see it?
I have not too many. Every industry does that. पहले बाप अपने गल्ले में अपने बेटे को भी बिठाता था. I have lived in Chandni Chowk where every shop is run by the kid. वो तो हर जगह होता है. That's the only thing which matters is how talented you are. I'm telling you. नहीं तो so many people in industry are from outside. यार, what were you talking about? Like so many stars, so many people are from outside, and they're from inside also. Like Shahrukh, Akshay Kumar, Irfan Khan, Manoj Bajpayee, so many, Nawazuddin, Richard, so many, Harsh himself, me who's working, we are, and inside also. It's only the talent which counts, nothing else. And everyone gets the chance. If you're talented, if you're talented, a lot of people are there who have come and who's not nowhere. चाहे उनके फादर कोई भी हो या कुछ भी ना हो, मेरे को नहीं लगता, मेरे लिए मतलब वो स्टैंड नहीं करता. एंड आई पुट माई सेल्फ इन दैट नेगेटिव जोन इफ आई कंपेयर दीज टू एंड देन द फाइट हैपेंस. I have enjoyed my journey, and I've seen people who have made it have enjoyed their journey. That is what I believe. तो मेरे लिए ये क्वेश्चन मेरे से कई बार पूछा जा चुका है, बिकॉज यू आर टीचर, यू टेल अस तुम्हारे स्टूडेंट बाहर से आते हैं. मैंने कहा बाहर से नहीं, मेरे इंडस्ट्री से भी आते हैं, बाहर से भी आते हैं. मैंने उनको भी पढ़ाया और बस मैंने देखा कि दोज हु हैव, जो मैंने अभी बातें करी, चाहे वो हर्ष के लिए हो चाहे वो वरुण के लिए हो, तो अगर आप दोनों को खड़ा करेंगे, दोनों में ऐसी एनर्जी है टू डू समथिंग. They're curious to do something. They're curious to create themselves. Dono. You feel that energy is there. So yes, I did answer your question, but
yes, you did.
Yeah.
No, because a lot of people, shy away from answering such questions but it is right now concerning the industry at large, maybe superficially or maybe internally. But right now, this is the perception that is being
It is always there. It is always there. Always when you talk about business, you talk about when there were kings and they used to talk about. It was always there. This is going to be always there. The only thing is, what is your talent? Bring your talent into it. That is what I believe. How talented you are, how go-getter you are. That's it.
Definitely.
How persistent you are. Yeah.
Definitely. So, talking about a little about your projects as an actor, you tell me that after Sacred Games, it has like definitely there's a lot to experiment with. So, what kind of roles do you go out and seek, and what are the roles that you want to sort of do in the future that you haven't tried yet?
I would want to play a romantic character, which
Definitely.
I don't know if I get it with my kind of look, but people think that I am with my looks. People think he will be very stubborn and very ऐसा वाला इंसान होगा, but I'm very soft human being. लोगों को बहुत पसंद आता हूँ मैं अक्सर बात करने में, पर थोड़ा intimidating शुरू में लगता हूँ because of my voice and my features and all those things, and maybe that is why people have approached me for these kind of character. But Anurag was so clear in his mind when he gave me Man Marziya, and after Sacred Game, we all were thinking, why Man Marziya to you, and why this character to you? Like how can you play Kakaji? And I was also doubting myself. I can play Kakaji? Okay. And Anurag, when I asked Anurag, and few time I was on the shot, and I was like, Anurag, did it work for you? He says, "So don't ask me. You're doing whatever you're doing, and I'm liking it." From Isa to Kakaji, if I've given you this, I must have seen something in you. But okay, that's fine. If he's saying that, then it's working, and it worked also. People loved it, and now Tash also, I got it not because of Sacred Game. I got it because of Man Marziya. because Bijoy's wife liked Kakaji's character so much that she said, ask him to play this character. That's so different. So I want to definitely want to. I have some project coming up where I'm experimenting with my attitude and my behavior, not wanting to play only a gunda or something else, but definitely और भी चीजें. But if I get that also, I'm going to take challenge and I'm going to work in a different way. That is my education from last so many years. And yeah, so romance, some romantic film I would definitely want to play. क्योंकि उसमें challenge बहुत है कि कैसे मतलब when there is somebody in front of you, how do you play that emotional and hold that, and you're falling for the other person and not falling, and then those things, वो बहुत मुश्किल काम है स्क्रीन पे दिखाना, right? विलन दिखाना बहुत आसान है, ऐसे करके बैठ जाओ, हो गया बस, हो गया, गन पकड़ लो, गन यहाँ रख दो, ऐसे बैठ दो, और फिर थोड़ी भारी आवाज में ऐसे कर दो, हाँ कहाँ से आए हो भैया, हो गया. but to create those moments where you're like vulnerable and you're so you want to say something and you don't want, you're holding, and there is that is one challenge. I'm telling you, and I would love to do that. वो कैसे होता?
I think that'd be wonderful. I would. That is one thing I'd really want to see you doing now. So please,
Yeah.
please, go seek out roles that will show you in this light.
Yeah. And I will definitely do it, and I will do it so well. मेरे को लगता है, मेरे को करना है बस एक बार.
That goes without saying that you do it really well. That I think that part is given. So yeah. So anyway,
I might not be with like these people like Shah Rukh and Salman. They have that persona also. No? Their persona also, their look also plays in that. My look doesn't play on that, but then also I want to play that.
But do you really
Maybe
think that romance, playing a romantic hero will have so much to do with the looks? Because, it's more to do with the emotion and also the story that you're being put in.
Yeah, true. That's very true. I always believe that. The pity is that most of people don't see it like that. Right? That is what I say. You need to see the actor in his versatility, in his you have to test him. You have to find that maybe this works. But जब हम लिखते हैं, जब हम रोमांटिक कैरेक्टर लिखते हैं, तो वैसे ही लोग लिखते हैं, राइट? हम लिखते वैसे हैं, हम करते वैसे हैं, और फिर हम दिखाना वैसे चाहते हैं. तो वो एक अगर कोई इसी स्क्रिप्ट कोई लिखना चाहे, then it can be so much power, so much new things coming up in the character. वो बहुत ही it can be fun for viewers also, for the actor also, and for the director also. Viewers will be surprised to see this. Wow, I never imagined him. Like a lot of people were surprised to see me in Man Marziya like that, limping and weak and just negotiating my way. And वहां पर मैं ईसा जो negotiate नहीं करता है, जो बस काम करता है अपना.
So thank you so much for taking the time, Saurabh. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you for your listening. Thank you for have a great listening for me. That really opens up when somebody is listening. You really open up fully. So thank you for that.
Thank you.